In this video, we'll learn about price sheets. If you want to sell your photos online, then you need to establish a price sheet. A price sheet is a way to specify which products and prices you offer. Once you've created a price sheet, you can assign it to any of your projects. Let's get started. To view a list of existing price sheets, click the side navigation menu, expand the Commerce submenu, and choose Price Sheets. Here you're presented with a list of all the price sheets you've created. To delete a price sheet, click the price sheet's cog icon and choose Delete. Beware that when you delete a price sheet, any projects that you are using it with will no longer be able to accept online payments until you specify a new price sheet for each of those projects. To create a new price sheet, click the Create New Price Sheet button. When prompted, give the price sheet a name. I'll name this one Bay Photo General Portraits. The next field allows you to specify a print lab. For this option, you can choose to use one of the professional print labs integrated with Photocog, or you can choose self-fulfilled. Self-fulfilled products are ones that you fulfill outside of Photocog. Using an actual print lab, on the other hand, means these products will be processed and sent by the print lab. One important thing to keep in mind is that if you choose a professional print lab, you can also include self-fulfilled items. The only limitation here is that you cannot choose products from more than one professional print lab in a single price sheet. I'm going to go ahead and choose Bay Photo. Once you've selected a print lab, click Create. Once the price sheet has been created, you will be taken to the price sheet details page. From here, you can add different products you choose to offer your customers. You'll notice the product categories up top. Within each category, you can add products. Because I chose a professional print lab when I created this price sheet, I have the option to either add print lab products or self-fulfilled items. To see products you've added, expand the product group. To add a new product, click the Add button and specify whether or not you want to add products that will be processed by the print lab, or if you'd like to add products you will self-fulfill. I'll choose Add from Print Lab. Here I am presented with a list of all available products the print lab has to offer. From here, I will select the products I want to include. As you can see, the prints category I'm adding products to allows me to not only specify a size, but a finish as well. You can choose individual finishes within a size, or click the checkbox next to the size to quickly select all finishes for that size. I personally don't want to overwhelm my customers, so I'll be careful to limit my options. To finish, click Save. The items will now appear in the proper product group for this category. To edit the details of an item, click the Edit icon. The price column represents the price you charge your customers. In other words, this is how much a customer will have to pay you for the product. The Cost column represents your actual cost for the product. For the print lab products, the cost cannot be changed because the pricing is set by the print lab. However, for self-fulfilled items, you need to be sure you put in a value that accurately represents how much it costs you personally to self-fulfill that item. The Profit column shows your profit on the product given the difference between the price and the cost. Note that you must always specify a price that is greater than the cost. To quickly mark up or down all the prices for all products within the current category, you can use the Bulk Markup tool. To do this, click the Markup button. Note that currently I am in the Prints category, so only the products in this category will be updated. The Bulk Markup tool allows you to specify whether or not you want to increase or decrease the price. And then the second field lets you specify a percentage, which will be a percentage of the current price. For example, if a product is currently $10 and you increase by 10%, the new price will be $11. To remove an item, click the Delete icon. The Add to Package icon is for adding the product to a package. Packages are discussed in a separate video tutorial. The process of adding photos, whether those are self-fulfilled or from a print lab, remains the same across printable product categories. The Digitals tab allows you to specify pricing for digital products. You can allow customers to purchase digital photos individually, all the photos, or both. Allowing individual photos means your customer will be charged for each photo they add as a digital item to their cart. Allowing all photos gives the customer the option to receive all digital downloads for a fixed price. To enable a digital option, simply check whether or not it's enabled. To edit the pricing of either option, click the Edit icon. Specify a price, and then click the checkmark icon to save the changes. As I mentioned, packages are covered in a separate video tutorial. The final thing to show you on the Price Sheets Settings tab, found in the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you can specify whether or not you require taxes on taxable items, and if so, what the tax rate is. You can also specify an order minimum, which means your customers cannot place an order until they have added a minimum dollar amount worth of products to their cart. Accepted payment methods indicates how you allow customers to pay for their orders. To accept credit card payments, you must have first enabled this option from the Account Settings page. This ensures you have everything you need to receive funds when your customers place an order. Offline payments must also be enabled from the Account Settings page before this option can be allowed. Offline payments are a way to allow your customers to add items to their cart and complete the checkout process without providing any credit card information. The idea here is that you'll arrange to receive a payment from them offline and outside of Photocog. With that said, you will need to be absolutely certain to collect this payment yourself before giving your customer their products. If a customer submits an order choosing to pay offline and their order contains PrintLab products, you will always be required to approve the order before it will be sent to the PrintLab. When you approve the order, the amount required to cover PrintLab fees will be charged to your credit card on file that you specified when you enabled the offline payment method. The most important thing to understand about allowing offline payments is that Photocog is not responsible for obtaining payment for orders placed using this payment method. It is your responsibility to ensure you have been paid before approving them. Finally, the shipping price option allows you to specify the base shipping amount for your self-fulfilled items. If the order contains PrintLab products, this base amount will always be added to the customer's total shipping cost. For each self-fulfilled item you've added to the price sheet, you will have the option to specify an additional shipping charge. This will be incurred to the customer's total shipping cost if they have added the product to their order. This helps you ensure you will be able to cover any necessary shipping expenses on your end. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team, and have a great day.